Hey y'all, it's the Travel Queen. So if you are on this page, it's because you have seen something I've posted about how to fix your own credit. And yes, guys, this program is for anyone with good or bad credit. So if you are here, you're in the right place. For so long, credit repair specialists have overcharged innocent and even desperate consumers hundreds and thousands of dollars to get little to no results and then blame them for it, y'all. Well, in this do-it-yourself credit repair program, you will have the ability to now have the knowledge for yourself forever. So you can then fix your own credit, boost your own credit score, and if life happens, you will know exactly how to do it again, which to me is far more important. There are 2 ways that you're getting ready to learn that you can get into this. One way is that you can purchase a DIY credit repair kit where you have unlimited access to the training, there's one cost and no monthly fees. Or you can do what I did and turn it into a business. So while you are fixing your own credit, you can get paid to help others. No matter what you choose is best for you, I'm here to help. All you have to do now is enter your name and email below so that you can get all the information that you deserve on the next page. See you on the other side.